Hello adventurers, I am Adam Saudagar and this is FishyBot. With the new Elsyewr expansion, you might want to level up your Necromancer to play trials with it as soon as possible, but the grinding is pretty lengthy. You could craft some Psyjic Ambrosia for yourself, but who has the time and effort to fish for perfect rows? Even if you plan to buy it from guild traders, it could get pretty expensive. FishyBot is a fishing bot for Elder Scrolls Online. It is completely open source and free to use. Just head on to its GitHub repository, there you can download the bot and read instructions on how to set it up. After setting it up, you simply need to run the script, look on a fishing hole and press F9 to start fishing. Then the bot will automatically reel the fish when it's hooked. And it will also throw back the fishing rod too. This will go on till the hole is depleted, after which you will get a notification on your phone. Then all you need to do is go to the next fishing hole and start fishing. What I am going to do today is keep fishing for approximately 1 hour and see if I am able to find a perfect row. As you all know, perfect row sells for around 10 to 12,000 coins at guild traders. And you can even craft Psyjic Ambrosia if you have the recipe, which can help you grind those precious champion points. You might be wondering whether you will get banned for using this bot. Let me be honest with you, botting does violate ESO's terms of services, so technically you can get banned. But this bot doesn't read or write memory from the game, so they won't know you are using the bot that easily. Now let's see if we can get any perfect row. As you can see, we did get a perfect row. Amazing! You can simply use the bot to find tons of perfect row to make Psyjic Ambrosia or to get rich by selling it. Or you can even use this bot to unlock all the fishing achievements. As I told you earlier, the bot is open source and free to use, so you can easily download the bot and use it as you want. If you get any issues with the bot or you are not able to configure it properly, you can simply join our community on Discord and we will help you out. If you would like me to keep developing the projects you love, consider supporting me on Patreon, or you can even donate me on PayPal. Links for everything is down in the description below. Thank you for watching and I will see you guys later.